Hi friends. I just always get really cold after my workout. It's 11 o'clock. I already had a co-working session call, which was really nice, and I did loads of invoices, I did loads of emails. I'm doing a workshop with Daisy, so I'm enjoying I'm gonna watch a workshop of someone else's. I think I make use of the subscription that they've given me. I've used Skillshare, I've used, what else have I used? I love like an online class. Yeah, it's really exciting to learn from other actual working artists, because I love uni, I love college, I think they're brilliant, but it's just a different experience. Like, I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be rude, but it's like, can you really learn how to be a successful artist from someone that isn't a successful artist? That's so rude. I know it's so rude and so mean, but we cannot deny that being good at university in a creative course, or being good at college in a creative course, or being good at school doesn't always translate to being successful within the actual industry and the big wide world. And so I'm a big believer in learning. Like, I like to learn from people who are living, breathing, actually doing the thing. I feel so stupid having like a intellectual conversation with my hood up like this. Like, I'm actually dressed like an actual marshmallow. Like, even my slippers are pink. But we're gonna get into it. But I do think it's really important, if you're a creative, studying something creative, to make sure that you're all listening from people within the industry who are actually working right now and are successful. Because sometimes you can listen to people who don't know what they're talking about. Or that their experience, they're talking from experience that might have been like 10 years old, because it's like, things change. Things change. Things have changed a lot in the last 10 years. Anyway, that's my little spiel. I'm going to have my breakfast now before it gets cold, and I'm going to watch one of these classes and have a little break.
A little about me, the origin, and I'll say how I got to be a freelancer and all of that.
I had a drinking problem. Neither would you. So I think the first thing is to find that idea that will not leave you alone.
Oh, I'm so excited for this. So I'm doing a workshop on confidence, and I'm trying to collect quotes, so I think I might just sit here and listen to Big Magic or some interviews. I got a little surprise. My boyfriend dropped off some flowers and a card for Valentine's Day, and I look like this. He's got a chest infection, so we kept our distance because I don't want to get ill. But how cute! I'm gonna put them here. Very pretty. So pretty. Now back to work. And just like that, the day has ended. Morning. I have my porridge here. Now I'm going to just go through this week's Patreon podcast and decide out of the two ideas which one to do, and I kind of feel like I can mesh them. I've got cream on my lips. I feel like I can mesh them together. Okay, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'm gonna decide what Patreon podcast to do. It's so hot. Yeah, I love Gabby's Pomodoros. GB. I always think it's Gabby. Oh, I'm so dyslexic. I'm really enjoying these to get me focused. And then in the breaks, I'm going to check up on my dad. Pomodoro break. I feel so proud of myself. I've actually been able to concentrate. I'm going to put my essential oils diffuser on, and I also have a back brace on my back because I noticed I was slouching. Oh yeah, didn't think of that. Yeah, that would be amazing. That's such a good idea. Like, basically I watched the show Emily in Paris, which is about a marketing lady who moves to Paris, and she did a collaboration with a company where they worked with a luxury bed mattress company or something, and they set up a bed in Paris. Just had a call with my boyfriend. We're gonna try and finish some creative projects that we started last year but didn't end up finishing. And I've made my lunch. I really had a craving for a peanut butter on toast, so I've got my vegetables with peanut butter sandwich. This is why I like to do a little bit of a big project over a long period of time, because I'm still writing and I'm so blocked. I'm coming up against like a wall because I've been writing for so long.
The next day.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. So I'm on my bed, got my water, laptop, phone. I'm going to do emails, and I still need to finish my task from yesterday. Ugh, it's taking so long. So I'm going to focus on that. I've sent the workshop off. Oh my gosh, it's like 10 pages. It's like a book, but I just kept writing. But I've sent it off. It's been sent. I've done my deadline. I'm so proud of myself. I put everything into this workshop. It's all on confidence. It just feels like something I wish that I had when I was younger. Teaching is only a small part of what I do. I don't often do it, and when I do it, I like to make sure that I'm thinking and not just like doing it for the sake of doing it, you know. But yeah, it's been a long time of me talking about confidence, so I had my own self to quote. And so much that I've learned, really. And then something really exciting arrived. So I designed a beautiful postcard for this lovely company called Unfabled, unfabled.co. I will leave all the links in the description because they also gave me a discount code, which is Natalie20, to use across their shop for 20% off. They sell skincare and loads of self-care bits, all to do with the period and your cycle, lots of CBD stuff, and this is the postcard. I was inspired by a sleepover scene, a dreamy, cute, cozy sleepover scene.
So
let me know what you think of the postcard.
So cute.
I love it.
I wish I saved it for later.
That is nice. Salty pretzel.
The next day.
Morning, everyone. It's Thursday. Today I need to record. Oh, I just feel like I'm behind on all my week because of all the writing. So I need to record this week's Patreon podcast episode. I'm doing work with me's again, so I'm just going to quit before I record the episode and put it out. I need to have a page for the work with me's that I'm going to direct people to. And I'm also going to include my studio playlist. So I always play music when I'm doing creative work. It's a toss between listening to audiobooks and music. I feel like some good music just creates a vibe, creates a really good energy in the room. So if you want to know what I listen to when I make creative work, you can listen to a playlist that is linked in the description. I know not everyone has Spotify, so don't worry, I got you. I also made a playlist right here on YouTube, the old-fashioned way that I used to listen to playlists, and yeah, put in exactly the same music. There's 20 songs, and I'm going to just update it from now on into the future, because I know I've made various different playlists, but this one is just going to be directed for like what I listen to when I'm making creative work. It's called In the Studio with Natalie Byrne. I'll leave all the links below. It's a real mix of like jazz and R&B, but also indie music. I love indie music, it's probably what I listen to a lot of, and then also a mixture of kind of like old classics, or classics maybe you haven't heard of before, mixed with current pop hits. I've had my coffee, I'm ready to go and talk. This episode is going to be all about why your relationship is the biggest business decision you'll ever make if you're a creative and entrepreneur, and lots of other pieces of advice that no one talks about when you are a small business, a creative, or just someone trying to like go out there and achieve your dreams and achieve your goals. What? I need to do the workbook. Wow. Okay, because usually my Patreon date is Tuesday and it's Wednesday. No, it's wow. This is the thing about writing that workbook. But to be honest, I need to stop being so hard on myself. It can take a year to write like a really good workbook, and I just like to get all of it down. So maybe 2 or 3 days. I'm just say that. decided to come up with a name for the Work With Me's, give it a little rebrand, give it a little refresh. And because I mainly wanted to create a GIF that I could share when I was talking about it on my Instagram stories. So let me know if you want to join, and I'll show you the logo in the next vlog. I'm so excited. At the moment it's just black and white style, and I'm going to add some colour to it as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Lots of love. Bye.